Welcome to this video on how to make money with AI and Facebook. If you've ever wondered how to leverage artificial intelligence to grow your online income using Facebook, you're in the right place. In today's digital world, AI is revolutionizing the way businesses operate, and Facebook remains one of the most powerful platforms for reaching potential customers. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or just someone looking to create an additional income stream, combining AI with Facebook can unlock endless possibilities. In this video, we'll cover step-by-step strategies to help you start earning with AI-driven tools, automate your processes, and maximize your profits on Facebook. From content creation and ad optimization to chatbot automation and audience targeting, you'll learn practical ways to make the most out of these powerful tools. Our goal is to provide you with actionable insights that you can implement right away, whether you're a beginner or already familiar with online marketing. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how AI can help you scale your efforts and turn Facebook into a money-making machine. So, make sure to watch until the end, as we'll be sharing valuable tips, real-life success stories, and the best AI tools to get you started. Before we dive in, don't forget to drop a comment below, letting us know what you're most excited to learn about. Now let's get started. Before we begin, want to know our #1 recommended side hustle that's perfect for beginners. No tech skills, no experience, and no social media following are required. Just your phone, an internet connection, and a few hours a day. And here's the best part. There are no monthly expenses, and it pays up to $900 daily. And you get free mentoring with step-by-step interactive training to help you crush it. Curious? Check out beachlaptopoffice.com now or hit the link in the description to learn more. Now let's dive into some of the most profitable ways to use AI and Facebook to generate income. These strategies can help you build a sustainable online business with minimal effort using automation and smart tools. First, AI-powered content creation. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Canva AI can generate engaging posts, eye-catching visuals, and compelling captions. You don't need to be a professional writer or designer. AI does the heavy lifting, ensuring you stay consistent and relevant on your Facebook page or group. Next, AI-driven Facebook ads. Running ads manually can be time-consuming and costly if you're not targeting the right audience. AI tools like AdZoomer and Facebook's own automated ad manager help optimize your ad targeting, budget allocation, and creative elements, giving you better results with less effort. AI chatbots are another game changer. Platforms like ManyChat or ChatFuel allow you to automate customer interactions, answer FAQs, and even guide potential customers to purchase 24/7 without any human intervention. Finally, AI-powered analytics provide deep insights into your audience. Tools like Facebook Insights and HubSpot AI track what works and suggest ways to improve your content strategy, leading to more engagement and conversions. Let's move on. Let's go step by step so you can start making money using AI and Facebook today. Follow these simple actions to set yourself up for success. Step 1. Pick a niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial. AI tools like Google Trends and Facebook Audience Insights can help you identify trending topics and underserved markets where you can make an impact. Step 2. Create your Facebook presence. Whether it's a Facebook page or group, make sure it's optimized with a catchy name, engaging visuals, and AI-generated content. Tools like Canva and Jasper can help you design a professional-looking page. Step 3. Automate your content strategy. AI scheduling tools like Hootsuite and Buffer allow you to plan and automate posts weeks in advance. This ensures consistency and frees up your time for more strategic tasks. Step 4. Launch AI-powered Facebook ads. Start with a small budget and let AI optimize your campaigns for conversions. Focus on lead generation, product promotions, and retargeting campaigns for maximum profit. Step 5. Leverage AI chatbots for customer engagement. Chatbots can answer common questions, guide customers through your sales funnel, and collect valuable data to improve your marketing. If you're ready to get started, let us know your biggest takeaway so far in the comments. Now let's talk about the best tools to use. To succeed with AI and Facebook, you need the right tools in your arsenal. let's go over some of the best AI-driven resources to help you work smarter, not harder. For content creation, tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Canva AI make it easy to produce high-quality posts, captions, and visuals without needing a professional touch. For ad automation, platforms like AdZoomer and Facebook Ads Manager offer AI-powered optimization features that automatically adjust your targeting and budget to maximize conversions while keeping costs low. Chatbots are essential for automating customer interactions. Tools such as ManyChat, ChatFuel, and MobileMonkey can handle inquiries, collect leads, and even complete sales, all without your direct involvement. If you're enjoying this video, drop a comment below. Let's move on to some real-world success stories. Now that you have the basic tools and resources, let's dive into advanced strategies to take your AI and Facebook game to the next level. One powerful technique is leveraging predictive analytics. By using AI tools like Hootsuite Insights and Social Bakers, you can predict trends and customer behaviors, allowing you to craft highly targeted marketing campaigns before your competitors even see the wave coming. Another strategy is dynamic content personalization. With AI-driven platforms like Pasado and Dynamic Yield, you can create personalized experiences for each user, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Imagine sending out a Facebook ad that changes its message based on the viewer's past interactions with your brand. This is not just possible, but highly effective. Case Study 1. A small e-commerce store used predictive analytics to identify trending products and adjusted their Facebook ad campaigns accordingly. Within 3 months, their sales skyrocketed by 150%, all while reducing their ad spend by 30%. Case Study 2. A digital marketing agency employed dynamic content personalization for a client in the travel industry. By tailoring Facebook ads to individual user preferences, they achieved a 200% increase in click-through rates and a 50% boost in bookings. These real-world examples show that with the right strategies and AI tools, you can achieve remarkable results. The key is to stay ahead of the curve and continuously adapt to new technologies and market trends. If you find this information valuable, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's wrap things up. While AI and Facebook offer incredible opportunities for monetization, they also come with their own set of challenges and pitfalls. Let's analyze these potential issues and discuss some best practices to overcome them. First, one of the most significant challenges is data privacy and security. With the increasing use of AI, there's a higher risk of data breaches and misuse of personal information. To mitigate this, always ensure compliance with data protection regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Use encryption and other security measures to safeguard customer data. Second, AI algorithms can sometimes produce biased results, leading to unfair treatment of certain user groups. This can happen due to biased training data or flawed algorithm design. To avoid this, regularly audit your AI models and datasets for bias, and make necessary adjustments to ensure fairness and inclusivity. Third, the rapid evolution of AI technology means that what works today might not work tomorrow. Staying updated with the latest trends and continuously learning is essential. Subscribe to industry newsletters, attend webinars, and participate in AI and marketing forums to keep your knowledge current. Another potential pitfall is over-reliance on AI tools. While AI can automate many tasks, human oversight is still crucial. Always monitor your AI-driven campaigns and be ready to intervene if something goes wrong. Remember, AI is a tool to assist you, not a replacement for human judgment. Finally, there's the challenge of managing customer expectations. AI-driven personalization can set high standards, and failing to meet these expectations can lead to customer dissatisfaction. Set realistic expectations and communicate transparently with your audience about what they can expect from your AI-driven services. By being aware of these challenges and proactively addressing them, you can leverage AI and Facebook to their full potential while minimizing risks. If you've faced any of these challenges or have solutions of your own, share them in the comments below. Your insights could help others navigate this complex landscape. Now let's wrap things up. Now that we've discussed the potential challenges and pitfalls, let's shift gears to something more uplifting. real-world success stories and testimonials from individuals and businesses who have successfully made money using AI and Facebook. First up, meet Sarah, a small business owner who runs an online boutique. Sarah integrated AI-driven chatbots into her Facebook page to handle customer inquiries and provide personalized shopping recommendations. Within just 3 months, Sarah saw a 40% increase in sales and a significant boost in customer satisfaction. She attributes her success to the AI's ability to offer immediate, tailored responses to her customers' needs, allowing her to focus on other aspects of her business. Next, we have John, a digital marketer who leverages AI to optimize Facebook ad campaigns for his clients. John uses AI tools to analyze customer data and predict which ad creatives will perform best. By doing so, he's been able to reduce ad spend by 30% while increasing conversion rates by 25%. John's clients are thrilled with the results, and his business has never been better. Then there's the story of Emily, a content creator who uses AI to generate engaging social media posts and schedule them on Facebook. Emily's AI assistant helps her maintain a consistent posting schedule, analyze post performance, and even suggest trending topics. As a result, Emily's follower count has grown exponentially, and she's landed several lucrative brand partnerships. Finally, let's hear from a non-profit organization that used AI and Facebook to amplify their fundraising efforts. By utilizing AI-driven analytics, they identified the most engaged supporters and tailored their outreach accordingly. This personalized approach led to a 50% increase in donations and allowed them to fund critical projects that made a real difference in their community. These success stories highlight the incredible potential of combining AI and Facebook for monetization. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, a content creator, or even a non-profit, the possibilities are endless. So take inspiration from these testimonials and start exploring how AI and Facebook can help you achieve your financial goals. Now, let's wrap things up. As we near the end of our journey, we want to provide you with a comprehensive list of additional resources, tools, and courses that can help you dive deeper into making money using AI and Facebook. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategies, these resources will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. First, let's talk about courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a variety of courses on AI, digital marketing, and Facebook advertising. Some highly recommended courses include AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng on Coursera, Facebook Ads and Facebook Marketing Mastery Guide by CourseNV on Udemy, and Learning Artificial Intelligence on LinkedIn Learning. These courses are designed to provide you with a solid foundation and advanced strategies to implement in your business. Next, let's explore some essential tools that can streamline your efforts. For AI-driven chatbots, tools like ManyChat and ChatFuel are excellent choices. They offer user-friendly interfaces and powerful features to create engaging and responsive chatbots. For optimizing Facebook ad campaigns, consider using AI tools like AdEspresso and RevealBot. These platforms help you analyze data and make data-driven decisions to maximize your ad performance. If you're a content creator, tools like Jarvis, now Jasper, and Lately.ai can be game changers. Jarvis helps you generate high-quality content quickly, while Lately.ai analyzes your content and suggests improvements to boost engagement. For scheduling and analyzing your social media posts, tools like Hootsuite and Buffer are invaluable. They allow you to maintain a consistent posting schedule and provide insights into your post performance. Additionally, there are numerous blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels dedicated to AI and digital marketing. Websites like HubSpot, Neil Patel's blog, and Social Media Examiner offer in-depth articles and case studies on the latest trends and strategies. Podcasts like Marketing School by Neil Patel and Eric Siu, and AI in Business by Emerge provide valuable insights and expert interviews. On YouTube, channels like Think Media and Digital Marketing Institute offer tutorials and tips to enhance your skills. Finally, don't forget to join online communities and forums where you can connect with like-minded individuals and experts. Facebook groups, Reddit communities like r/digital_marketing and r/artificial, and LinkedIn groups are excellent places to ask questions, share experiences, and stay updated on the latest developments. By leveraging these resources, tools, and courses, you'll be well equipped to navigate the world of AI and Facebook monetization. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are key to staying ahead in this ever-evolving landscape. Now let's wrap things up. As a reminder, if you'd like to learn about our #1 recommended passive income program with free training and mentoring designed for beginners, requiring no tech skills, no experience, no substantial following, and pays you daily, visit beachlaptopoffice.com or click the link in the description for the details. As we approach the end of our journey, let's take a moment to summarize the key takeaways from this video. We've explored the incredible potential of using AI and Facebook to generate income, highlighted profitable ways to leverage these tools, and provided you with a step-by-step guide to get started. We've also discussed essential tools and resources, advanced strategies, real-world success stories, and potential challenges you may face along the way. Remember, the key to success lies in continuous learning and adaptation. The resources, courses, and communities we've mentioned will be invaluable in your journey. Equip yourself with the knowledge and tools, stay updated on the latest trends, and don't be afraid to experiment and innovate. Now, here's a final motivational message. The journey to financial success using AI and Facebook is filled with opportunities. It may seem daunting at first, but with persistence, dedication, and the right strategies, you can achieve remarkable results. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Take the first step today and keep pushing forward. Your future self will thank you for the efforts you make now. Now, let's wrap things up. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep pushing forward, and let's make this year your most profitable one yet.